what they're surrounded with, so you can celebrate all of that. The songs that they sing, the dances they dance, the stories they tell. So this next song is something very close to my heart. This song originated as the outcome of a songwriting workshop I attended on the Big Island in Waimea, our friend's house. We took up for about a week, hung out, played music, wrote music. Our friend from Aotearoa, New Zealand, penned this song, and when he first shared it with us, it was first written in the Maori language down in New Zealand, Aotearoa, and a couple of friends of mine, and to Mary Boyd and Moses Crab, translated into Hawaiian. So I imagine there's probably a couple of girls out there who come and dance this song for us, including Iri Hanohano. A song called O'O'io celebrates our heritage, our lineage, our connectivity to heaven. So I want to invite anyone out there who can come and do it. Pull up to this song, O'O'io. Well, you say, Koko'io. Something we did on a CD I recorded with Brother Dean. It was called Kopehi. Put your hands together for Iri Hanohano and Dean's daughter, Nakala. Keita's in the house. Just together from Moani, Chanel. Wow. How pleasantly surprised. master and high mountain, oh Prince of Peace, oh warrior and my quality, oh warrior. Wow. Big hand for the girls, everyone. Thank you.